Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a rising senior at Regis High School, and for my project, I've decided to build a ball tracking robot that uses a Raspberry Pi as a computer, four motors, an ultrasonic sensor, and a camera. Uh, and I've assembled these devices for my first milestone, wired them, and I've coded them all to work. This is the robot. Um, this is the camera. It can take photos, videos, or I can preview what it is seeing at any time. The ultrasonic sensor here was a little bit more complex. It The way it works is that it emits ultrasonic waves that bounce off objects, for example, my hand, and the waves will bounce back off my hand back to the sensor. The sensor measures the amount of time it takes for the waves to bounce back, and using that time, it can calculate distance. I've calculated it in inches, and it's quite accurate. I did have a little bit of trouble with the getting the sensor to work with the Raspberry Pi because the sensor emits 5-volt pulses, but the Raspberry Pi takes only 3.3 in its ports. So I did a little research, decided to use a voltage divider, um, and which lowers the voltage 3.3 volts. Uh, and I thought it was pretty cool because it used math from what I had learned in my physics class. And I also learned a lot about electrical engineering. Uh, each of the four motors that are behind each wheel, I can control them each individually and can control the power output of each motor completely. So here is the demonstration. I can turn on one motor. I can stop that one motor or turn on the other one. And I can do both. So I have complete control over everything. Um, so I had fun with that. In my next step for this project, I plan on coding the software for the ball tracking components of the device.